Maya, and I'm going to be showing you how to post a reel on Instagram. So there are a few ways you can do that. If you're on your homepage, you can actually just slide over to the left and you'll get to the page where you can post. Again, if you're on your homepage, there is a plus button in the top right-hand corner where it will take you to that same page where you can post either a story, a reel, a live, and you would just slide over to the reel. If you are on your profile page, there's that same plus button in the top right-hand corner, and it will give you a list of things that you can post. Today, we are going to click Reel. If you want to record your reel right here, there are many options on the right here in terms of effects you can do. For example, the layout effect, where you can record 2 different videos on each side of your screen. If you've got a TikTok, it's like duetting yourself. I also really like the dual option. You can use your front and back camera at the same time. So if you're a realtor, for example, if you want to walk through a house and talk at the same time, that's handy. You can also scroll through different visual effects here at the bottom, or if you want a longer list, you can click on the effects button on the right and it will give you some more options as well. But today we're going to be using a pre-recorded video. So I'm going to go into my camera roll here on the bottom left, find the clip that I want to use. And at the bottom, I'm given the option to crop the video to the length that I want. I'm going to click Add in the top right-hand corner. But today we're going to add a couple more clips. You can add as many videos or pictures as you like, as long as it's under 90 seconds. Again, I'm going to crop this one to my desired length, hit Add, and I'm going to add a still photo as well, which I can do with the reel. My beautiful daughter. Now that I'm done, I'm going to hit Next, and here is where I can edit the clips that I've already put in. I can add transitions in between each. For some reason, the preview to 2 of my clips are not showing, but I can click the plus button between them and add different transitions between each clip just to kind of add a little flavor to my reel. I can also change the order of the clips if I've decided they're not quite how I like them. I can just drag and drop. And the most important thing, I believe, to having a reel is adding music. And this is because whatever music you add to your reel is then going to show up on the page of all other reels with that same sound. So it's extra exposure for you. The music that Instagram provides is Instagram's library. It's not your phone library, so you don't have to worry about copyright problems or anything like that. So once I've picked the song that I like, I can drag the soundbar down here at the bottom to pick the part of the song that I want in my video. I'm also given the option to add more visual effects here as well. And now I can add some stickers if I like. If you've done Karen's 30-day social media facelift training, you know that this is where you would add, normally if you're posting a story, it's where you would add your @ and your location. However, when you're doing a reel, you can't add that as a sticker. You'll add that in the description, which I'll show you in a little bit. So here I'm just going to add some stickers to kind of jazz up my reel, grab the attention, which we want to do. Anything that catches the eye, we want to stop that scroll. And keep in mind that whatever stickers or words you put on your reel is going to stay in the same place as each clip plays out. So you want to make sure that you're placing them somewhere that it's easy to see on all of your clips and that it's not going to cover anything important. All right, now that I am satisfied, I'm going to hit Next in the bottom right-hand corner, and I'm going to edit the cover. So at the bottom, I'm given this bar where I can slide to find the frame within my videos that I want to be what people see when they see it on my page. I can click Profile Grid in the top right here and drag it to exactly how I want it to show up on my profile. Next, I'm going to write my caption. Here is where I'm going to be able to put my @ my follow me, and my hashtags that I couldn't put as a sticker before. We always want to make sure we have all of our hashtags and our keywords in there. I'm going to hit OK on the top right-hand corner to make sure that Share to Feed toggle is turned on so that it's showing up on people's homepage. And now I'm going to add my location. We are in Denver, so I'm going to put Denver, Colorado. And next I want to make sure that Share to Facebook is also turned on, because why post something twice when we can do it at one time from the same place? All right, now that I'm satisfied, I'm going to hit the big blue share button at the bottom, and it should show up on my homepage. I can also go to my profile and make sure that it's posted there. and I can slide over to the Reels section of my profile and see that it's posted there as well. All right, when I'm looking at my reel, I'm going to hit these 3 dots in the top right-hand corner and make sure that I save the video to my phone. This way I can also post it to my story, because we want to blast our content out everywhere so that it can be seen as much as possible. Instagram has so many different tools and elements that you can use to make your reels unique and really grab the viewer's attention. So definitely go through and play around with it and see what you can do.